The Government of Ontario has announced changes to the non-resident speculation tax, or the NRST. So as of March 30, 2022, the NRST rate has increased from 15% to 20% and will expand to all regions in the province. As a reminder, the NRST applies to individuals who are not Canadian citizens, who are not permanent residents of Canada, or who are foreign corporations or taxable trustees. The NRST only applies to properties that contain at least one and no more than 6 single-family residential units. So this includes detached homes, semi-detached, triplexes, duplexes, townhomes, and condominium units. The NRST applies if one of the transferees is a foreign entity, regardless of their share of the ownership. Suppose the transfer of a residential property is made up of 4 different transferees, one of which is a foreign entity. Then the NRST would apply to 100% of the entire value of the property, which is insane. So certain individuals will continue to be exempt from the NRST, which include foreign nationals of the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, refugees, spouses of Canadian citizens, and permanent residents of Canada. Increasing the tax rate to 20% and applying that tax province-wide is an attempt by the Ontario government to deter non-resident investors who are speculating on the housing market in hopes that home ownership will become more attainable for Ontario residents. Check out the Government of Ontario's NRST webpage for more details. I've linked it in the description below. Thanks for watching my video. So if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and the subscribe button if you want more content like this every day. Check out my website at rajful.com to check out the listings in GTA, and reach out to me if you want a quick consultation on anything regarding real estate. Thank you.